Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying essentials: battery level, Bluetooth, and firmware. Once done, press the controller's pair button until the LED flashes, then open your phone's Bluetooth list. Make sure to pick the controller name that appears, not a similar device. If the controller doesn't show, toggle Bluetooth off and on and retry pairing. This step establishes the wireless link so your mobile will treat the controller like a standard input device for games and apps. Once paired, you need to configure how games see the controller. You'll open the game's controller settings or the OS input menu to select the controller and set default profiles. Make sure to calibrate sticks and adjust trigger sensitivity if available. This prevents drift and improves aim. Test every control in a simple controller tester or training mode. Press each button, move both sticks, and trigger vibration. This confirms full functionality. Before you play competitively. To finish, optimize performance and remember alternatives. Plug a USB-C cable for the lowest latency or enable controller-friendly game modes. Once done, fine-tune dead zones and mapping in-game so controls feel natural. If you encounter problems, repairing often fixes connection errors. Reboot your phone and confirm firmware updates are applied. As a key troubleshooting tip, always try a wired connection first. If that works, the issue is likely Bluetooth interference or power-saving settings on the phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.